Are you a business owner trying to make massive sell without having a physical store? Today, I will share with you guys how I make massive sell without having a physical store. A lot of you are wondering, how do you make sales even without having a physical store? Yeah, stay tuned.
Bought a big paddock with the brand.
Let me tell you. Number one and only medium where you can make massive sales is social media. Yes, social media platform is a very good platform where you can advertise on goods and make massive sales. Number one on my list is Facebook. I make a lot of sales on Facebook. Facebook is my number one store. Yes, Facebook is my number one store. Now, how do I make sales on Facebook? I use Facebook Marketplace. Guys, Facebook Marketplace is a very genuine place where you meet people. It's not like a physical place. Yes, it's still an online store. Okay, now, not online store. It's still a platform, but a Facebook platform where you get to advertise your goods. People use Facebook Marketplace a lot. I've made a lot of sales outside my state, outside where I am. Yes, I'm in Nigeria. A lot of people from Lagos, Enugu, Asaba, and all of that, they come to this marketplace and search for things they want. They look up for things they want, and once they see something that they want, they check on the person. You don't even need to know who the person is. They just communicate with you. Okay, I want this. How much? What's the price? And you will be or do anything you want to do. That is number one. I don't joke with Facebook Marketplace. Like, that is my number one store. Then secondly is WhatsApp. I feel WhatsApp doesn't really give me what I want, because I feel a lot of persons that are in my WhatsApp contact, a lot of persons that I have on my WhatsApp are people that I know. So if you're expecting people, see guys, let me say this. Let me say this, pardon me. I'm saying this with a very clean heart, with a very clean mind. If you're expecting someone that knows you to patronize you, like guys, you must be joking. Don't get me wrong. A lot of persons that you know will patronize you, yes. If you have people that will support you, that's amazing. You know, the people that knows you to support you is very, very important, because it's going to help boost you. It's going to help encourage you. Like, oh, people really believe in me. Like, people believe in me. It's going to boost you. It's going to help you to keep pushing. But it's a situation whereby you don't have them, my dear, you don't have to kill yourself. You don't have to do anything. All you need to do is to go out for people that will appreciate you. Go out for people that will recognize you. It's better people that you have, a situation whereby people that you have don't patronize you or don't recognize you. You do things that will make them recognize you. I don't even understand what I said. Do things that will make people that don't believe in you recognize you. Okay? So another platform I'll mention is you can use TikTok to advertise your goods. You can use Instagram to advertise your goods. Guys, this platform will help you boost your sales. This platform will help you make sales. I'm saying these things and my persons will be like, when will you be making sales? How will you be making sales without having a physical store where people come and patronize you? Guys, you don't really need to have a physical store. I'm not saying that having a physical store is wrong, but it's a situation whereby you can't afford one, a situation whereby you can't get one. What do? It's not even about you not getting anyone or you not having a physical store. Guys, you can have a physical store and still do online sales. But what I'm trying to say is that a lot of persons are limited because they don't have a physical store, thereby it makes them not to have sales. Guys, physical or not physical, online or not online, the most important thing is that you're making sales. Guys, another thing I would say is try and market yourself. Try and market your product. Try and tell people what you're doing. Obviously, you guys know I'm into skincare. I do a lot of, like, if I tell you guys the way I approach people to market, it will sound a little bit funny. I approach someone and I compliment you first. From there, I go into, well, your skin is really nice. I would like to know what you use. And the person, okay, I use this, I use that, I use that, I use that. I'm like, oh, that's nice. I also have this product I would like you to try out. Guys, the way and the manner at which you present yourself will make people to patronize you. Don't be limited. The essence of this video is for you not to be limited. Don't be limited. Don't say, oh, because I don't have this, so I can't do this. Nobody cares about who is patronized. Nobody cares about if the person patronizing you is a family member or someone you know. It's so wonderful when someone you know patronizes you because it's going to boost your morale. You feel like, yeah, they actually believe in me. But what if a situation whereby they don't believe in you? What will you do? You need to go out there and get people that will believe in you. So, guys, please, if you have any questions regarding online sales, kindly drop on the comment section. Kindly drop on the comment section. I'll be addressing a lot of things. Someone asked me to actually make a video. This video was actually recommended by someone. That's why I'm putting out this, because the person was asking me, how do you manage to make so much sales? How do you manage to pull through? I told them you need to market yourself. You need to put yourself out there, and there are so many ways to put yourself out. Number one is through social media platforms. So guys, if you found this video interesting, please try as much as possible to drop a comment and go through my previous videos. I'll be dropping a link on my previous business videos, how to make massive sales, how to target your audience. A lot of persons target their audience wrongly. A lot of persons want to know how to target audience. A lot of persons don't know how to target their audience. So please go back to my previous video and check them out and tell me what you think about it. I love you all. Please subscribe.